Yo, what up, gang? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day or had an amazing day. Today we're back with another video of the 350Z, guys. Today we're gonna try to fix the first problem that the car has ever gave me in the matter of electric, like the lights and shit. Because I was driving at night and then I realized I parked and then I turned on my car and then I turned it on and I went to go get something and I noticed that my tail lights, they were not on when the lights were on because it was at night, and I was like, huh, fuck, that's weird. So then I started doing some research and I found out you can change the fuse and then that might help it. So I did. I switched the fuse and then it was good, it worked. And then so I left, and then when I turned on my car and then I turned it on again, the tail lights weren't working again. So I was like, So that's what we're gonna try to fix today. We're gonna see what the problem is, find out, and then fix it. But before we do that, I wanna try something new that I got for us for the videos and everything. It's a new little gadget that I think is gonna help us do the videos better and yeah, help us improve to make this a great thing. Look, it's back in the vlogs. One more. So this is the thing that we got. Look, well, actually I didn't get it. My sister gave it to me as a birthday gift because she's watching the videos and she's like, your audio and your everything fucking sucks. And I was like, oh.
So you guys don't have to be asking Joshua for shit.
Fucking Joshua. Where's my mic? Joshua.
Smart. I don't know how you say that shit.
Smart cine.
Smart cine. And it comes in a little case.
It's a little case. Pretty cool.
Pretty neat. Pretty in place. So it comes with little lenses. It has a microphone. And obviously the fucking tripod type of thing. So you guys gonna see it on the next clip.
Alright guys, so we're gonna do take one of audio and ¿cómo se llama? Audio and
Visual lens.
visual lens, I guess. What are we gonna call it? This is how it sounds just on the phone without the new gadget that we got. So
That's how it looks. I don't know how it sounds.
this is how it sounds. So let's get it. Alright, so take two, guys. This is with the actual gadget. I don't know if it improved the audio or the visual of you guys. I can't see, obviously, so I don't know. I'll check out the video right now, see how it sounds and everything, and then we get started. Alright, so we checked it out, and I don't know, it sounds how it sounds right now. So it also came with the
Little condon.
Yeah. It's a
For the win.
noise reduction thingy majiggy. So we're gonna put it on the mic, so see if it makes a difference. Alright guys, so mic check. Uno, dos. Alright, let's see how it sounds. Alright, so we're just gonna leave it like this for now. We're gonna keep playing with it later to see how, like, what the actual, like, different, like, things it has and everything, so we can just, like, figure out the best for us. But right now, let's just get started with the problem with the 350Z, guys. Like I told you guys, the fuse kept blowing up, so I'm just gonna check it out there now and then see what the problem is and then maybe fix it. Alright, so at first I looked it up and then I saw that they changed the fuse, which is not this box right here. It's actually this one over here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Look at that.
Probably there, but so right now what we're just gonna do is take this whole thing off so we can get access to the back one right here. So all you do is just take off the little cell toppers right here and right here and right here. Oh, fuck. Probably get some tools or something.
Alright, we're just gonna skip that.
Alright, so once you have the cell toppers off, this one comes off. And you can just put it right here because you couldn't put it back again. And then this one, all it does, it has one right here. You should take it off. And then just kind of like this one too, this little trim thing. You just move it to the side so you can get access to it. And it has another one right here.
Fuck that, I would just drive the car like that.
No, tell it, huh? Oh my god. Hey, can you pass me the tool, Murijo, please?
Fuck.
Thank you, Murijo.
He used a screwdriver or some shit. It's good.
Take two.
Whoa, do you guys look? Do you guys see a difference or what? It's pretty cool because that shit kind of blurs out. Just this shit. Oh, fuck, look at that. Oh my god, horsepower, baby.
Okay. Just leave the two right there. Alright, so all you do next is just basically take it out. It comes off. And now you have access to your actual. Ah, cabrón.
Turns out it's on the other side.
Eso no tiene que pasar. So it's right here. This is your other fuse box. There's two of them. And then the fuse for your tail lights. It's shit. It says right here. Look, you guys can tell like it has all the fuses. But the one that you're looking for is 10A tail lamp, and it's under the 28. So you guys can see the 20 right there, and then the 10 below there is that one. So all you do is take it out and then replace it with the new one that I found out it has a replacement for it on the inside fuse block thing that I'll show you guys right now. And then your other fuse box thing that you need are here. All you do is take this top off and then other thing right there. And it has the replacement one all the way at the end right here, but obviously I used it because I wanted to try it, so I did. But it's right here, and it has it right here, like spare one, 10A. It's right there, so yeah, you just get it from there, and then try it, see if it works. If not, then you have a problem like me, which we're gonna try to figure out right now. Alright, so in order for you to know what the problem is, you have to look so all your wiring from the lights, see where it goes, check out the lights, and then find out if there's a wire that's making like not enough connection, or if it's grounding itself out with like some other wire. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and then I'll let you guys know if we see anything, or I don't know. Alright guys, so after like 5 minutes of searching, I think we might have found the problem. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys. Look, I'll show you. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can tell, but the wires are peeled, and there's like two of them. I don't know if you guys can see better. I guess my tire was rubbing on them because they don't have anything holding it. So all we can do is put some tape around it and then make sure it's like hidden, or hold it with some zip ties, like we hold everything, you know, because zip tie gang. And we're gonna see if it fixes the problem. I got a new fuse too because I didn't have any more. So I'll put the new one in and then see if it worked, and then I'll tell you guys. I guess so. I got them all taped up. I tried my best because it is a tight space, but now what I'm gonna do is get a zip tie and secure it right here so it doesn't hang as low and it's like away from the tire. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, because on the other side it has another two. Omar's already trying to do that. So yeah, alright, so they're all zip tied up. Right now we're just gonna cut the extra things, because these have been rubbing too on my wheel because, you know, they're too long. So I'm just gonna cut them, and then I'm gonna change the fuse, and then I'm gonna try to show you guys, but I don't think it's gonna see, because I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see the lights because, you know, it's daylight. But I'm gonna try to show you guys, and then yeah. Alright, so now that we're done, we're gonna try to change the fuse. I got these for $4 at O'Reilly's. It's like a little package, and I already used only one, so it comes with 5. I think I used one. So now all you do,
roast Murijo in the comments.
Oh my god. Anyways,
Why the fuck is Mama Malona over there though?
Alright, so like we said, is the 10 under the 20. So you grab it, take off your fuse, and look, I'm gonna try to show you guys. Look, You guys can see how it's all like blown up. I did that to 3 because
the black thing?
yeah, cause it has to be connected. Look, I don't know if you guys can see on this one. Look, it's like completed the inside thing.
Adentro?
Yeah. So this one's like. Alright guys, so look, this is a new one.
That's how it's supposed to look.
From the
it's
inside.
Like connected. And that's the one it had. It's kind of fucked, like broken right there. That's the fingers, but yeah.
Alright, so yeah, so all you do next is just slide your new one in, make sure the numbers go like that, like all of them.
I don't think that matters, but
Pues todos están así, so I guess.
Didn't you wash your engine, bro?
Oh my god. Presentation?
¿Qué no trae una de esas?
Oh, ahí está. Oh, I don't know. I was trying to look for it, but I don't know. So that's it. Let me show you guys if it works. If it doesn't work, then it's probably gonna be some other issue.
So I guess they don't turn on. I don't know how to fucking. Como yo no salgo, pues.
Hey, Kevin, like, boom.
I don't know if I think they're on. They're on?
Yeah, I mean, I mean, like I told you guys, I don't think you guys can be able to see it.
Well, I guess you can see a little foquito. You see that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see the little
Yeah,
red dot. So,
where's the wing? What do you?
that's another topic because I don't know, too much happening right now. Alright guys, so hopefully that fixes the problem, and if not, then it's probably gonna be some other electrical.
Because I guess you've done it before, and like they worked, but then they didn't work no more.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wait till 9 and then I'll go do a cruise through thing. And if it fixed, then it fixed, and this is how you fix it. But if it didn't, then
Algo así.
Alright,
Are you from Jalisco?
Yeah. So I don't know, you guys can just throw this one away, keep your thing, and then just put everything back together. It's pretty simple, I think. I don't know, I've done it, but yeah. Put your thing back, put your little house thing.
I'm dropping trance now and shit. Almost done son.
Alright guys, so all he's gonna do is put the whole things back, the little cap and the thing, and the self-tappers, and that's it. Hopefully that helps you. Some of you, I don't know, maybe, or if you're just watching just because I appreciate you guys. Thank you much. We're almost at 100, so
Like, share with a friend.
comment, subscribe, everything. See you guys in the
It's
next
pretty
one.
hot if you can see in Marijo's face. Pinche tomate.
See you guys in the next one.